What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's a chilly day in Washington. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and this is Sierra. She'll be joining us for at least some of our griddle today. As Spencer said, it's a bit chilly here, but we have been exploring so many different places. It's gorgeous here. Lately, we've been checking out like all the port towns. There's so many cool little towns along the Olympic Peninsula. And one of the towns we were in, we happened to pop in and grab lunch at a cafe, which really is what inspired today's cook. I've never griddled this meal before, but I'm really excited about it. And today, I'm going to be making a toasted, twisted Cristo,
not Crisco.
Twisted Cristo Croissant. So today, for you, I am griddling a toasted, twisted Cristo Croissant. Say that 7 times fast.
So let's go. Fire up the Blackstone.
Before we get our twisted Cristos ready, we are going to make a raspberry chipotle dipping sauce. We'll just give that a minute or two to warm up, and then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil and some rough cut jalapenos. All right, we are going to cook our jalapenos in the oil for about 5 minutes. We just want them to get nice and soft and tender. The next thing we're going to add is 2 minced garlic cloves and 4 teaspoons of adobo sauce. We're gonna just stir this up and then bring it to a simmer. Next, we're adding 6 ounces of fresh raspberries, and we are going to let them cook all together until the raspberries are nice and soft. Our raspberries are looking nice and soft and broken down, so we are going to now add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then a little bit of salt. We're gonna stir it up and then bring it to a simmer, and we're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. Our raspberry chipotle sauce looks about ready, so we are going to take it off the griddle and just put it aside while we make our sandwiches. First things first, gotta get a little bit of oil down on the griddle. Pineapple is what we got going on next. We are gonna get a couple of slices of pineapple down on the griddle and get them nice and toasted up. While we have our pineapples cooking, I am going to butter up our croissants. That's what multitasking looks like. A bed for the baby, griddling lunch for the family. Time to give our pineapples a flip. They're looking nice. While our pineapples finish up, I am going to lay down our croissants to get those toasted up nicely. It is almost time to start putting our sandwiches together, but first, we need the meat. We've got some turkey. This is not going to take long for these to cook up, warm up basically. Just going to flip those over. These are going to take seconds, folks, seconds. We are going to put some turkey down. Next up, we're going to throw some ham down on the griddle. Okay, we're going to flip our ham. We are going to top our ham with some provolone cheese.
That looks tasty.
Oh yeah.
Looking good. Now for the pineapple.
It smells great. These croissants are so nice and soft. All right, now I gotta just grab some of our raspberry chipotle sauce.
All right, I'm interested to see how this one tastes. There's a lot of different flavors going on here.
There is. But I mean, you gotta get creative sometimes.
Oh yeah, I mean, I'm all for trying new things.
All right, here goes nothing. I really like that.
Okay.
First the raspberry hit me. Then I feel the peppers on the back of my throat. Then that sweetness of the pineapple came through.
Yep.
With the meat and the cheese, and this croissant is
so amazing.
Good.
Okay, I am pleasantly surprised. This is very good.
This toasted, twisted Cristo Croissant is amazing.
Let her say that because I'm not going to do it.
It's so good. You really got to try this.
It is very good. Definitely got to try it. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring the bell on that YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Todd, Betty, Bruce, Matt, CJ, Nate, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.